Hello, Lam.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Lam? Where are you? What is your background?
Uh, what did you say?
Your background is different. Where are you?
I'm in my room.
Oh, you are in your room. Okay. So, what did you do before our class, Lam? Did you learn?
No, I just eat
Okay,
breakfast.
what did you eat for breakfast?
Buncha Hanoi.
Buncha? Yeah, I know buncha.
Yeah.
Delicious, Lam. Wait, I think your bangs is shorter this time. Did you cut your bangs?
Yeah. Yes.
Who cut your bangs?
My grandma.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, you look different. Your bangs are a little shorter now. I see. Now, let me share my screen, Lam. And yes, for today, we will continue with your speaking book. Okay, so we'll have this one now. Can you still remember the phrases we have talked about last time, Lam?
No.
No? Okay, so let us talk about it again. Now we have here travels for free. What does it mean? What's your idea about this?
I am really now.
Okay, but do you know the word travel?
I think teacher will
Yeah?
travel.
Travel. Do you know this word? Travel.
Hmm. Yes, I know travel.
Okay, what about travel for free? Do you know it?
Wait, teacher, let me turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, Lam. How's the weather in your place? Is
Uh,
it sunny?
it's raining sometimes. It's hot sometimes.
But what about now? What about now? Is
Uh,
it,
hot, really hot now.
oh, it's really hot. Okay, that's why you're turning on the AC. Now, travel for free, Lam, it just means that you will go from one place to another without paying anything. Okay, without spending a dime. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. What about work on weekends? Do you know this?
Uh, well, a weekend. It's
Yeah.
when we work in a weekend.
Yes, and weekend means Saturday and Sunday, right?
Oh yeah.
Weekend. Okay, so do you know the days of the week, Lam?
Yeah.
What are the days of the week? Can you tell me what are the days of the week?
It means that there's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, s- uh,
Saturday?
Saturday, Friday,
No,
already
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday. Yes. Okay. So when we say weekend, Lam, it means Saturday and Sunday. When we say weekday, okay, weekdays is from Monday to Friday. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So working on weekends, Lam, it means that you have to work on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now what about make good money? Make good money.
You mean make how to make money?
Okay, when we say make, good money, it means, Lam, that you are receiving enough or good amount of money for the work that you do. Okay? We are talking about your salary here. You are not necessarily you are the one making money, but you are working to have money. Okay?
Yeah.
Wait, let me translate it, Lam. Have a good salary. Oh, wait, where is it? Oh, why can't I translate it? Wait for a moment, Lam. Why can't I translate it in Vietnamese right now? Okay, so, well, anyways, Lam, um, makes good money, it means you will be paid with enough money for the work that you do. Like your mom and dad, they have to work, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Because, Lam, they are being paid for the job that they do. Okay? Just like me too. Your mom is paying me so that I'd be able to teach you. Okay? That is making money. Okay? We're talking about salary. Do you know salary? Do you
Uh,
salary?
no.
Oh no. Salary, Lam, is what a person gets for doing a certain job. Okay? Just like your mom, your dad, your teachers, your aunts and your uncles, they have jobs, right? And in the middle of the month, Lam, or at the end of the month, they will receive money because they did their job. That is salary. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand it, Lam?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Now, wait, wait. So now let us have get long vacations. What about this? Get long vacations. Do you
What
know it?
does mean we have a long vacation?
Do you know vacation, Lam?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. Okay, so when we say get long vacation, of course, it means that you are free to go anywhere and do whatever you want because you don't have to work or go to school. Just like what you have now, you have a summer break and we call it as well a vacation, Lam. You have 2 month vacation, right?
Yeah.
Yes, wherein you don't have to go
No,
to
I
school.
I remember it's 3 months so too. I remember.
Oh, 3 months? And it started at the end of May, right?
Uh, yeah, May that's the time for my summer vacation, but it's 28. The days is 28. May 28. Uh,
Okay, so
I
does that mean that you will be back at school um in August?
I think so.
Okay, wow, that's very long holiday, Lam. Now, we also have stands all day. Do you know this? stands all day?
No.
Okay, when we say stands all day, Lam, it means you have to stand all day. Like for example, a job of a security guard. Do you know security guard?
No.
Oh no. Okay, wait. Hopefully, I'd be able to translate it now. A moment. Oh, why can't I translate it in here? Okay, just listen to my mic, Lam. You hear it?
Hmm?
Did you hear something or no?
No.
Oh no, you did not. Wait, why can't I translate it? Oh, I can't really translate it. Okay, just remember, Lam, that when we say security guard, it is the person who will protect someone. It's someone, Lam, who will open the door or someone who will guard a certain place. Okay, that is security guard. So their job includes standing all day. Okay, now we also have doesn't need a car. Doesn't need a car. When we say doesn't need a car, of course it means that you don't need car, right? To do
Yeah.
something. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now let us have this one, Lam. So think that you have a job. Okay, you have a job, Lam. So tell me if these are positive or negative. Now let us have travels for free. Do you think it is positive or negative?
Negative.
Why is it negative, Lam? You will be able to travel for free. Why is it negative? Can you tell me?
I don't really.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, but we have talked about these words already, Lam. If we can go from one place to another, if you can go to the Philippines right now without without the need of paying even one VND, Lam, do you think that is positive or negative? Do you think that's good or not?
Not
Why?
good. I think good.
You think it's good. Why? Why do you think it's good, Lam? Can you tell me? If your answer is correct, Lam, it's that you have to explain your answer. And I know you can do it. What are you doing?
Uh, I'm not doing anything
Okay, so can you tell me why is traveling for free a good idea or a positive
because
idea?
we don't need to. We don't need money to do it, so we can travel easily.
Okay, yes, you don't need any money. Okay, to travel, to go from one place to another. Now, what about work on weekends? Work on weekends. Is it good or not?
Yes, good. I
Okay.
like it too.
Oh, you like working on Saturdays and Sundays, Lam?
Yeah, yes.
Why? Why do you like it? But you will not have a time with your friends or your family if you have to work on weekends.
Uh,
Well, actually, Lam, if you don't know, most people, Lam, they only have to go to work from Monday to Friday. So, Saturday and Sunday, or what we call weekend, we only stay at home and spend time with our family and friends. So, do you like working every day?
not really. Because
Not
my
re-
mom gave me really many things to do.
Oh, like what things to do? Like what? Like what, Lam?
Like
Your mom is giving you a lot of things to do. Like what? What is she asking you to do?
math, English, and really, I love math because I do it not really good, so I have to do it.
Mm-hmm. But you like learning English, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's not a problem. On the weekends, Lam, are your parents at home or they have to work?
We still have to work.
Oh, they have to work, but your dad is always at home, right? He works at home.
Yeah, he's going to Nha Trang, but now um he's back here.
Okay, that's good. What about your mom? What about your
Mm,
mom?
my mom,
Yeah, does she work
uh,
in an office or she works at home?
she worked at our office.
Okay, I see. So, well, actually, Lam, working on weekends, Lam, it is negative. Why do you think it's negative? Why is it negative? Why is it negative, Lam?
Because what is negative, teacher?
Negative, Lam, it means not good. It's not good. When we say positive, it is good, Lam. It's good. Okay, can you tell me why is working on weekends not good?
Because it's really hard to.
Really hard to. What is
Mm,
hard, Lam? What is hard? What do you think is hard? Okay, wait, Lam. I'll give you another lesson. Do you find this lesson difficult, Lam?
yeah.
Yes, I must say as well because you can't relate to it. Okay, wait. Let me give you another topic. Okay, let us have this one, Lam. Can you tell me what do you like wearing?
I like wearing red shoes because it's pretty.
Can you show it to me? Are you wearing it now?
No. Oh, I
You
will
thought you are.
change a dress because it's
Oh,
pretty.
okay.
But this is not a dress. I don't know how to
Yes,
call this in English.
that is
I do like
jumper, Lam.
to wear
That's
this one too.
jumper. That is what we
What is
call
it?
jumper. We call it jumper.
Dress? It's like this.
Yes, yes, it's jumper, Lam. See, I'll show it to you. Jumper clothes. No, not this one. Okay, this one, right? Like this.
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
What?
yes, it's jumper. We call it jumper. Okay, so now let us continue talking about it. Okay, so what color of clothes do you like wearing, Lam?
This color, I mean blue.
Okay, I see. So you really like blue. Is blue your favorite color?
No, because it's just this color I see is good for my jumper.
Oh, did you choose your clothes?
No.
No, you did. Okay, I thought you did. Okay, now can you tell me, Lam, what is your city like? Can you describe Hanoi? You live in
I'm really.
Hanoi, right?
What is it?
Do you live in Hanoi or
Can you
Ho?
say it louder? A bit I can.
Do you live in Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh?
Uh, Ho Chi Minh.
Oh, okay. So can you describe Ho Chi Minh, Lam? What is your city like? What can you say about Ho Chi Minh? Yes,
Ho
Lam.
Chi Minh is pretty. It's good
What else?
because in there the weather is good.
Okay. Is it traffic in Ho Chi Minh, Lam? Is it crowded? Is it always crowded? Can you hear me well, Lam?
What did you say, teacher?
Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay. So now can you tell me, is Ho Chi Minh crowded?
What is proud teacher?
It means a lot of people. There's a lot of people. It's
Yes.
full of people. Oh, okay, I see. Now let us have exercise one. We have here city. You know what city means, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, because you live in a city, right, Lam?
Yeah.
Okay. So, city, I live in a city. Remember this picture, Lam? Now, this one is town. Okay, town. What does it mean when we say town, Lam? What is a town?
Uh,
What is a town, Lam?
a town is
I live in a town. What does it mean when we say town?
a town is a city.
No, a town, Lam, it is different from a city because city is crowded, always crowded, Lam, and it is where a lot of opportunities are present, like Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. However, when we say town, Lam, it is larger than a village but smaller than a city. Okay?
Yeah.
That is town. Look at this picture right here, Lam. This is what a town looks like. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is town. So remember, it is larger than a village but smaller than a city. Now, what about a village? Okay, I believe you know this one. What about a village?
A
Village.
village.
Mm-hmm. What is a village, Lam? A village.
A village is smaller.
Smaller than what?
Uh-huh.
It is a village, it is smaller than a town. Okay? Because city is a big place, Lam. However, when we say town, it is smaller than a city, Lam. And a village, of course, it is smaller than a town. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us practice and answer the questions by filling in the blanks. Where do you live? In
I
the
live
blanks,
at Ho
Lam.
Chi Minh.
No, not at in Ho Chi Minh, Lam.
I live in
You have.
city.
I live in a city. Where does he live?
They just wait. Let me see. He live at a village.
Is it a village?
City.
No, it's not a city. This is city, Lam, where you can see big buildings, right? In here, we don't see big buildings, tall buildings, Lam. So it's not a city.
It's a what?
It's
Let me
mm,
try to learn.
w- we have talked about this one. Smaller than a city. What is it?
A village. I just know a village.
No, we have talked about three, right? Village, town, and city. Village, town, and city. We have talked about three, Lam. So can you tell me where does he live? Yes, Lam.
Uh, he live at
In? Are you doing
Hmm.
other things, Lam? Are you answering other things? Are you playing? What are you doing?
No, I'm not doing anything. I'm thinking because it's so hard.
No, it's not hard. I gave you options, right? We only talked about three: city, town, and a village. So what do you think is the answer? This is a city. And I've asked you earlier, where do you live? I live in a city because this shows a picture of a city. But what about in here? Where does he live?
Uh, she live at
Is it town or village?
a village.
No, I told you many times, Lam, it's not a village, Lam, because a village, Lam, is not as big as this. A village is smaller than a town. So this is a town. He lives in a town. Do you get me, Lam?
Can you help me this?
This is a town.
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 Because
Okay.
because sometimes I think the town look like a city.
No, they have difference, Lam. If you live in a city, you will not see this. You will not see this, Lam, because in a city, you can only see tall buildings, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is your clue. Now, what about in here? Where does he live? He lives in a,
Uh,
what is it?
hmm.
What is it, Lam? You're doing something else,
It's
Lam.
no. He live in a town.
Okay, yes, in a town. Now, where do they live? Where do they live?
They live at a village.
Okay, yes, they live in a village. Where does he live? Where does he live, Lam?
Uh, he live at a city.
Okay, yes, he lives in a city. Now, we have here exercise to vocabulary. What is a supermarket, Lam? What is a supermarket?
Uh, he live at a supermarket.
No, not he lives in a supermarket, Lam. I'm asking you, what is a supermarket?
I will just stuff for we buy things.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it is a large self service retail store that sells food, beverages, and household products. Okay, so we can say there is a supermarket. There is a supermarket. What about a movie theater? What is a movie theater?
Uh, it's me when we sit in there, then we enjoy watching
Watching what?
movie.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Lam. So there is a movie theater. What about this? Park. What is a park?
Did you say teacher?
What is a park?
For we to play.
Mhm. Yes, it is a place where you can play, you can exercise or relax. There is a park. Now we also have train station. What is a train station?
A train station.
Yes.
Yes, I mean for we to um for we to go on a train to where we want to go.
Okay, so yes, when we say train station, Lam, remember that it is where trains regularly stop to let passengers board or exit to load and unload. Okay, so now there is a train station, and I believe there is a train station in Ho Chi Minh, right? Do you have a train station in Ho Chi Minh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Metro, its name is Metro.
Oh, its name is Metro. So Metro is just the same as train station, Lam.
No, I mean Metro.
Metro is the name. Okay. Thank you for sharing that, Lam. Now, last one we have restaurant. Restaurant.
Uh, the thing that we live. No, we eat.
Okay, yes, it's where we can order and sit and eat our food. Okay, so there is a restaurant now. Okay, so let us practice, Lam. Complete the sentences by filling in the blank. Okay, so there is what is this picture? There is
So this is a park.
okay, yes, very good. There is a park. What about here? There is
Train. No, a movie theater.
very good. There is
Movie theater.
is it a movie theater? Look at the picture.
Oh no, a supermarket.
Yes. Okay, there is.
Supermarket.
And the last one, there is there is
Uh, supermarket.
it's not a supermarket. It's not a supermarket, Lam. It's
Teacher.
yes,
Uh, I know why the Wi-Fi is not connecting because
yes, I
it's
can.
something like
Yes, your connection is a little unstable. I can see it. But do you know this picture? What picture is it? This is a picture of they are eating.
supermarket.
No, it's not a supermarket. We're done with a supermarket. This is a restaurant.
I cannot hear really you. What are you saying?
Yes, because your connection is unstable. Your connection is unstable, Lam.
You hear it now, teacher?
Yes, it's okay now. Can you tell me? There is what's this?
Uh, there is a supermarket.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so there is a restaurant. Restaurant. Can you say it again?
That's a
Restaurant.
restaurant.
Yeah, this is a
Restaurant.
restaurant. Mm-hmm. Now let us have exercise 3. We have interesting. What does it mean when we say interesting, Lam? What does it mean when we say
Uh,
interesting?
it's mean we're very interesting to have this or have three. Are we gonna do this one and do that?
Okay, yes. Okay, that is correct, Lam. It means you are excited or something is catching your attention, okay? So it is interesting. Now, what about boring?
What did you say, teacher?
Boring.
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 It mean we're so boring that we don't want to do anything.
Mm-hmm. Not literally you are bored and you don't want to do anything, Lam. When you don't want to do anything, that is not bored, Lam. That is lazy. Okay? Because when we say boring, it means that you don't like what you are seeing. Okay, like for example, the